Okay, welcome back. We go to 1.7 tutorial. Okay, so the tutorial for objective question, I think no need to discuss because just a concept. You just follow the spectrum, then you know the characteristic. So I straightforward give you the answer for the objective. Okay, we got 10 questions only. Okay, then we straightforward go to structure, question 11. Okay, I zoom the question first, let the others can be seen. Okay, 11, that's a spectrum. Okay, now they show the spectrum. Now they want you to name all the waves that marked by the alphabet. Okay, the first one is a P. So they're from the behind, gamma first, or you want the first one, radio wave. After radio wave, sure is a microwave. So your R, the answer for the number 3, there's a R. R is microwave. Okay, then for the Q, after microwave, there should be the infrared. Okay, infrared, then P, visible light. After visible light, there's a UV light. Okay, normally the UV light, we write the full one, ultraviolet light. Okay, ultraviolet light. Okay, then we go to question number 2, B. What is the speed of the electromagnetic wave in the vacuum? So the answer, speed of light. So they ask what, so you cannot speed of light, so you need to mention what is that. So B, the answer is 3 times 10 power of 8 unit, please. Okay, MS21. Okay, next one, C. Name the apparatus detect the gamma ray. Okay, this one I think you not yet learned. This one is radioactive, the last topic. Okay, last topic for the chapter, for the Form 5. So how we going to detect the radioactive radiation, alpha, beta, and gamma? So we're using the, okay, C is G and 2. Okay, stand for Geiger Muller 2. Okay, this one is a short form. Then this one you can write about the short form but capital letter, GM2. Okay, the next one they ask for, name the source to the produce Q. Q is what? Q is an infrared. The source, so you give either one. So from here I can say about there's the sun. From the sun, or you can say from the hot object. Okay, for the E, name the wave can cause about skin burn, not skin cancer, skin burn only. So there's an infrared. Okay, infrared. Okay, then we go to complete the table for F. Okay, so I don't need to show because no space already. So you're going to answer, you follow what I say here, then you write your answer. So the first one they say uses, where we use it, satellite transmission. So we're using satellite transmission. Before that I told you in the airport we're using what? Microwave. Okay, the another one to detect the counterfeit note. The fake note, they're using the UV light. There's an ultraviolet light. Okay, then we go to the last question. There's a 12. Okay, let's see the question 12. Okay, we go radar system. Okay, detect the plane. Okay, so this one is a show the airport. The radar transmitting, okay, microwave signal. So from here the microwave are transmit to determine the position where is the aeroplane. Okay, the first one, microwave is a type of, okay, microwave you can say is an electromagnetic wave. Okay, you also can say there is a transverse wave. Okay, both also can. Okay, B is calculation. Okay, the radar transmitted the signal at the velocity. Okay, at velocity, so we do calculation. Okay, let's see the information first. Okay, transmitted velocity. And the next one, towards to the aeroplane P and detect and reflected the signal. So the time taken reflected. Okay, time taken reflected means how many way? It's a two-way. Send and come back. So that one is a two-way. So this one, the speed also is a two-way. Now the question is asked, please calculate the distance P from the rudder transmitter at the time. So that means they want to count about distance. So distance is one way only. So we still apply the formula lah. Before that we learn about the Salway formula. Okay, Vt over 2 equal to the distance. Okay, so from here we just apply 3 times 10 power 8 and also the time taken, then divide by 2, then we find the distance. The distance is 60 times 10 power of 3 meter. So this one is the distance between the rudder transmitter and also the plate. Okay, the next one, C. The rudder detect the same signal. The same signal also come after reflection by another aeroplane. Okay, then refraction with another aeroplane, there's a Q. So the signal from the Q that arrived the transmitter is later than the signal from the P. So from here, can you compare the distance between P and Q? So this one is a normal thing lah. They say they detect the P first, then later I detect the Q. So they ask you about the distance. Sure, the Q is further than the P. So your answer is, okay, for the C, okay, Q is further than P. Okay, so this one is the answer for the last question. Okay, so we just finish this one topic 1.7. Okay, we just don't have any calculation, just a normal question. So remember the spectrum arrangement, then do some calculation about the two-way, the rudder system, how to transmit, then you divide by 2, and that's all. Okay, so this one is what we learned for today 1.7. Okay, everyone, thank you for your listening.